JIRUHAE. JIRUHAE. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about JIRUHAE. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 376. JIRUHAE. JIRUHAE. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is J, second syllable is Ru, and third syllable is He. Pronounce it with me. JIRUHAE. JIRUHAE. The word JIRUHAE is used to say that I'm bored of it. Again, JIRUHAE means I'm bored of it. How do you write JIRUHAE in Hangul? This is composed of three syllables. For the first syllable J, we need to draw first a J character followed by an E character. For the second syllable Ru, we need to draw first a real character followed by an U character. And then for the last syllable He, we need to draw first a He character followed by an E character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these three syllables to form the Hangul of the word JIRUHAE. And with that, you've just learned JIRUHAE. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 366 to 375. But don't forget our word for today, word number 376, JIRUHAE, which means I'm bored of it. The first word for our review is word number 375, 심심하다, which means to be bored with nothing to do. Next word for our review is 지루하다, which means to be boring or to be tedious. Next word is 근데 왜, which means but why. Next word is 몰랐어, which means I did not know. Next word is 잘했어, which means good job. Next word for our review is 바쁘다, which means to be busy. Next word is 존댓말, which means formal speech. Next word for our review is 단어, which means individual word. Next word is 병원, which means hospital. Next word is 똑같은, which means same. And that is the last word for our review. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.